Gravity is not a force. Yes, you heard that right. So if gravity is not a force, then what is it? To understand this, we need to change how we imagine space and time. Space-time. The universe is not just space, it is space-time, a four-dimensional fabric made of 3 dimensions of space and 1 dimension of time. When there is no mass, space-time is flat, but mass changes everything. How mass creates gravity. When we place a very massive object, like a black hole, onto space-time, the fabric curves. This curvature is not gravity itself. Gravity is the effect we observe because objects move through this curved space-time. So gravity is not a pull, it is geometry. Objects simply follow the straightest possible paths called geodesics inside curved space-time. Why objects fall? Now people ask, why does an apple fall? Earth has mass, so it curves space-time around it. The apple is not being pulled downward by a force. It is moving along a straight path in curved space-time, and that path leads toward Earth. This is why everything falls. Then why don't planets fall into the sun? Good question. The sun has enormous mass, so it curves space-time very strongly. Planets want to move straight forward, but because space-time is curved, their straight path becomes a curved orbit. They are not being pulled. They are constantly moving forward through curved space-time. That is why planets orbit instead of crashing into the sun. So if we already know this, why do we still call gravity a force? Because explaining four-dimensional space-time curvature is difficult. Newton described gravity as a force because it works extremely well in everyday life. Einstein later showed that Newton's gravity is an approximation, not the full picture. In general relativity, gravity is not a force. It is curved space-time caused by mass and energy. So now you know gravity is not a force. It is the curvature of space-time. And everything you see moving under gravity is simply following the shape of the universe itself. If you want more real astrophysics explained simply, subscribe to AstrovaultX.